Walada ki anja ka pyrthei ki ongbo omla bante kino ki jingtei ha zero line jong kino ki khappud jong kiri ka pyrthei hynrei na ka bynta ka Shnong Lyngkhong ka bahab Pynursla Constituency on Phah Ker Sainar Shiah na zero line khnang bagani ka Shnong kanum hab shabar jong kiri India yakani lai thuru ba Prestone tinsong mentri rang ba banrap jaka sarkar jala ubolongru MLA ka Pynursla Uba Prestone ulai thu balabatha ek NBCC bari ki Bor Sanchar district banwari kilat kilinti ban Ker Sainar Shiah nadu zero line Kinong Shnong Lyngkhong kilapan pau ke jing sngo khia ba ke jing persha e ke jing Ker Sainar Shiah namar ba kani ke jing ker kan de khatno e ke jing de jong Shnong Lyngkhong bat kari India
International boundary is being guided by the agreement. One. Number two, it does not mean that just because fencing or the villages which happens to be outside the fencing, they can't say that they fall under maybe in Bangladesh or anywhere else. Still it is in India, but it so happened just because of that international norm. 150 yards is required. But even then, I'm telling you, the ground reality is different. We push way closer to the boundary pillar. Wherever possible way, it is being done that way. Because instruction has been given to the concerned agency, NBCC, as well as from the district administration, make sure that we push towards the zero line or towards the boundary pillar, so that inconveniences does not happen. And especially the fencing, which is ultimately isolated the village, I think that has to be well within the fencing or within the international fencing which is made by the government of India.